Hey Cozy Crew, happy Tuesday. It is about 2 a.m. I am working on my pantry still. I'm finished with the top part, but I am lining my cabinets with this cabinet liner. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of that. That's all I'm showing you, okay? Hold on out. I got about 7 more drawers to get through. All the cabinets are clean. It's just I have to get through 7 drawers. I already did 3 of my drawers. Let me give you a peek of that. I did line that drawer. You can see it down there, right? Okay. Watch that and line that down. So yeah, I have, once that liner arrives, the rest of the liner arrives, I hope to see you on the weekend. Probably late weekend, okay? Just wanted to say hello. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend, and I'll see you soon.